learning for my country. I'm learning how to live. I'm learning for my future. I'm learning how to give.
Good morning, my name is Jim Rhodes. This is Young Learners Class 156 at Lee Van Hue, 7:45 Saturday morning.
Hi, my name is G. Hi, my name is Huệ Linh. Hello, my name is Ryan. Hi, my name is Phương. Hi, my name is Nguyễn. Hello, my name is Chào. Hi, my name is Đức.
Hello, my name is Minh.
Hi, my name is Lau.
Hi, my name is Nam. Hi, my name is Phương.
Hi, my name is Linh.
Hello, my name is Linh.
Hi, my name is Hồng.
Hi, my name is Minh.
Hello, my name is Minh.
Hi, my name is Trung.